Hello, everyone. We have created a website called PlayFixtures. This software helps you run your tournament end to end, from registrations and group drawing all the way through to the finals. Let me sign in for you. I'm signing in with my Google account. From here, we have the option to create a tournament. We're creating a tournament for badminton. I'm uploading the poster I created for the tournament. This poster is being read by our LLM, and all the details from it are already being fetched automatically. If you want to change anything that isn't correct or add any other details, you can do that here. To run the matches here on PlayFixtures, you also need to select this option. After that, you have the category field. These details are taken from your poster, and you just need to verify once that all the fields are correct. We also have options here for group knockout, knockout, and round robin. This software supports all three formats. For this tournament, we are going ahead with groups and knockouts. I'll also show you a sample for knockout as well. Here, we're setting up an entry fee of $600. In this case, this is the boys single under 11 category. We can also set an age restriction category using a specific date. Beyond that, no participant can be added to that particular category of events. That's it. Once you've checked that everything is fine, you can proceed with creating the tournament. Now go to My Tournaments. You can use this link to share with your community and ask participants to join this tournament. We're opening the tournament now, and first we'll go to the console. This is how the console looks. It lists all the categories we have. If we open the first category, such as singles 11, we have two options here. We can either add participants manually. I've added participants manually in this category, and we now have 6 people. We can use the quick add method, or if we have the player name, email, mobile number, and academy, we can add them in this format. Or, if you've already collected the details and have a separate Excel that you're managing, you can upload the entire Excel here. You can download the template, copy-paste the entire sheet into it, and upload it. This will automatically fetch those details and place them into the draw. In the draw, there is also a check-in feature. Once the team is present at the venue, you can manually check them in here, and it will show the amount to be collected. If this particular player has already paid, then when you check in, that prompt will not appear. Those features are available here. This can also be automated, because we have an option for a self-check-in QR. You can enable it and place this QR in the venue premises. As soon as the team arrives, they can check in using this QR. They can mark themselves as present, and those details will automatically be fetched into your draw. If they have already paid, that's fine. If they have not already paid, they will be sent a reminder in the QR itself asking them to pay. That's how it works. You will have the full list of who has paid and who has not paid, and you can use this as your main dashboard. Now, going to the setup section, we currently have 6 teams. So this is being categorized into It is being divided into 3-3 and shifted into 2 groups. We have a feature where we can either shuffle them into 2 groups or assign them manually. I'm proceeding with shuffle into 2 groups, and I'm selecting top 2 from each category. We also have a feature called Team Support. If there are players with multiple entries from a specific club or specific academy, we can use this feature so that players from the same academy do not face each other in the earlier stages. They are placed into different groups, and they can meet in the later stages of the matches or the tournament. That's how this feature works. This section is also where you configure how you want to run your tournament. For example, in the group stages, you can choose how many points you want, either 11, 15, or 21. You can also set the match length, such as best of 3. This is entirely configurable on our site. Now I'm shuffling into 2 groups. It has created 2 groups, and each group has 3 matches. I'm going to enter these details manually so I can show you the further progress. So Group 1 is done. We also have a feature to do this automatically. I'll show that in a later part of the video. We also have a feature called walkover. If, due to some unforeseen circumstances, a team is given a walkover and is not able to participate in future matches, we can directly assign the walkover to that particular team. This is how it works. As soon as we complete Group A and Group B, the standings appear. You can see it here. This is how it appears. The standings now show that the top 2 have qualified. This is entirely based on the settings we selected on the setup page. For example, if we set it to top 2, that is what gets qualified. If we change it to top 1, the standings change, and only the top 1 gets selected. Let's keep it as top 2 for now, so we can see 4 people here.